In today's video, I'll show you how to center a header or title in Notion. So for example, I have this header over here which says subscribe. And if I hover over it, right click on it, or do anything, I have no option of simply centering it. So there's only one option that you can do. That is just put your text cursor over here. Then just go to at the start of the text, just before S, and then you can just type in some spaces over here. So you can just give in some space, it will push the text to the center of the screen. And now if you refresh the page again, it will be just like this. And that's one way you can center your div. Or rather, you can center your header or your title. And basically that is it. And that is how to center header in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.